Ready? Okay. Space-time refers to whatever external reality underlies our collective experiences of the space between things and the time between events. Or these points in geometric fact are simply there, whether we put axes on that board or not. So are you objectively real? Kind of. If you are the sequence of all events in which you are present, then you are a geometric object in space-time, a line segment, joining the points representing the events of your birth and your death. Do you move along that line segment? No, you are the line segment. There's no motion through space-time. It's not this kind of space. It's tenseless. And your future isn't merely predetermined, it already exists. There's some zen in trying to express what space-time is without missing